Do you want a cool, colorful background like the one behind me, but you don't want to spend a lot of money? Let me show you how to get it.
Get strong.
Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, and every week I produce videos to help you to plug into technology. So today we're going to look at the LED floodlight. So what you have here is a 30 watt, 180 watt light bulb. It has 30 watts of power. It has a 120 beam angle. It can go from 90 to 120 luminous brightness. It has an IP66 rating for waterproof, and it has a 50,000 hour lifespan for the bulb. So what comes inside the box? Inside the box you have your standard remote controller, the Magic Lighting remote controller. You have your instruction manual for the remote controller. And then you have the actual light itself. Okay, so now let's talk about the build quality. As you can see, it is white. It has a 30 watt on the outside, the IP66 on the outside as well. You have your LED lights on the front. On the back, you have your handle, which you can use to either mount to something, or you can probably set it on the side like so. And then you have your standard 3-prong cord. The remote control has your regular CR32 battery in it, off control. And then you have your various colors that you can use, or different lights. You can use your white light, and you have your strobe. And then you have your flash. And then you have your fade. And then you have your smooth. Now you also have 5 levels of brightness. You can go to the various levels of brightness. You have 5 different levels there. And then of course you have your red, your green, and your blues. As you look at the wall, you can see that it really puts a very nice blue on the wall. So this could easily be used for background colors, especially if you had it set up for your YouTube studio. And in addition, you can use this for outside as well, because that's what it's made for, to be able to use a floodlight outside of your house. My final thoughts. I think that this LED light is very nice, especially if you want to use it inside for backgrounds. It's a very inexpensive piece of equipment that you can use. Now, I found mine on Amazon for less than $30. A description will be in the link below. But now, if you found value in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and most importantly, comment. Let me know what type of products that you want me to review on this channel. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Get strong. Get strong.